Sana hindi pa ako nanay ngayon.
Sana nakapagpatuloy pa ako.
Sana masinisip ko ang magiging kinabukasan ko.
Sana humindi ako.
Sana mas naging maingat ako.
Premarital sex is a sexual activity which is practiced by people before they are married. Premarital sex is considered a sin by a number of religions and also considered a moral issue which is called taboo in many cultures.
According to Philippine statistics, teenage pregnancy among Filipino women aged 15 to 19 years declined from 8.6% in 2017 to 5.4% in 2022. Among women aged 15 to 19 years who have ever been pregnant as of 2022, the highest percentage was recorded in women aged 19 years with 13.3%.
This was followed by women aged 18 years with 5.9% and women aged 17 years with 5.6%. As expected, the lowest percentage of women aged 15 to 19 years who have begun childbearing was for those who were aged 16 years with 1.7%, followed by women aged 15 years with 1.4%.
Tinanong niya kung mahal ko siya. Sinabi ko, oo. Pero gusto niyang magtali kami kung gusto ko raw patunayan na mahal ko siya.
Hindi pa raw siya handa pero binuntis niya ako.
Hindi na ako makapag-aral dahil ibibili ko na lang ng gatas at mga gamit ng mga anak ko.
Sabi niya okay lang kahit hindi gumamit ng contraceptive.
May sakit pala siya, nahawa ako.
The general purpose of sex education is to inform youth on topics including sex, sexuality, and bodily development. Quality sex education can lead to better prevention in STDs and unwanted pregnancy. Furthermore, it decreases the risk of having unsafe sex and increases responsible family planning to help address issues like overpopulation, high rates of teen pregnancy, and the rise of HIV. The Philippines is gradually implementing sex education and accessibility to contraceptives.
Teenage pregnancy ay maiiwasan. Bilang ng batang ina at ama ay mababawasan kung ang sex education ay mapag-aralan.